I'm finding it hard to stay still. I'm just like, oh, it's so sad. Keep shaking. Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new Creating Beyond Limits video. Today I'm going to be reacting to a brand new supernatural reaction. This is from Alienated. This came out a little bit ago. I'm finally getting a chance to check it out. This is The Sound of Silence, Dina Cass. I've reacted to Angeldove's version, their edit with The Sound of Silence, and Angelic Wings', which were both absolutely incredible. And I cannot wait to see Alienated's take on this song with Supernatural. All of them are such unique creators, and I'm just so hyped and excited to be checking this out finally. As always, the original video can be found in the description box below, so please go show your support to the original video, watch it, like it, you know, and subscribe to Alienated. Absolutely amazing top tier creator that definitely deserves all of the support and more. So please click the link in the description, go show your support. If you enjoy my reaction to this video, the best way of letting me know is by smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and leaving a comment letting me know your thoughts on my thoughts of the video or your thoughts on the video in general. I'm rambling, so I'm going to end that part. I'm going to jump straight into the reaction before I lose track of what I'm saying. So let's go.
Guess I hope you can hear me.
Dina Cass, a little bit.
Wherever you are, it's not too late.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you.
Castiel.
An angel of the Lord.
Because a vision softly creeping left its scenes while I was sleeping. And the vision
I thought angels were supposed to be guardians. Fluffy wings, halos, you know, not dicks.
Well,
Read the Bible. Angels are warriors of God.
it's pretty hype.
I serve heaven, I don't serve man.
Oh, that'll change.
And I certainly don't serve you. I have doubts. I don't know what is right and what is wrong anymore. For the first time, I feel
It gets worse.
I feel. I know.
You gave us order, Castiel, and we gave you our trust.
You have to choose, Castiel. Us or them.
Don't lose it over one man.
I need you.
I can't.
Please, I need you here.
I'm finding it hard to stay still. I'm just like, oh, it's so sad. Keep shaking.
You ask,
You know what's weird?
what about all of this is real?
People, families, that's real.
We are.
I don't need to feel like hell for failing you, okay? For failing you like I failed every other godforsaken thing that I care about. I don't need it. Castiel? See, yes, it's weakness. It lets you.
When I carry your human weakness, same way I killed my own. Then rousing speech, his true weakness is revealed.
The very touch of you corrupts.
Change.
When Castiel first laid a hand on you in hell, he was lost.
The things we've shared together, they have changed me. Knowing you has changed me. He's in love. I love you.
Wow. What an ending. Edited by Alienated 2021. Wow, that was fantastic. I just like beeped myself. Alienated. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. What? I just watched 3 emotional videos in a row. Like bam, bam, bam. I'm punishing myself, I guess. Everyone, that was it for my reaction to The Sound of Silence. Demon Cast by Alienated. Absolutely amazing. Another incredible masterpiece of a video. The fact that there's 3 versions that I'm aware of that are on the internet, that are on YouTube, created by 3 amazing, unique creators. All have their own version, their own story that they told with this song, with the characters, and whew, man, this was emotional. It was beautiful. It was perfectly done. And I don't know how they do it, but thank you so much, Alienated, for creating this epic masterpiece of a video. If you all enjoyed my reaction to this, the best way of letting me know is by smashing that like button, subscribing to the channel, and most importantly, leaving a comment. Because that's what makes me happy when I see a nice comment and I'm like, oh, thank you. But yeah, definitely go show your support to the original video from Alienated. The link is in the description box below. Show your support, subscribe to Alienated, like the video. Definitely, they deserve so much support. So much, because they're fantastic creators. Now that's it for me. If you've enjoyed this, like I said, like, and I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hey everyone, I just want to say thank you for making it to the end of this video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to see more videos from me, click on any of the video links that are available right now. Go on. I dare you.